Hi there, it's Pierluigi from Delphi, and today we are reviewing the DM40 oil. So the machine we are reviewing today is the DM40 oil. The DM40 oil and DM35 oil are specific machines for the engineering, automotive and metalworking industry in general. They are the perfect machine for picking up oil, lubricants and metal chips and swarf from CNC machines and metalworking machines. They are designed for the engineering industry, so they are designed to pick up these lubricant oil and metal chips and separate them so that you can reuse the oil and lubricants. The machines are truly industrial. They are made of painted steel, so the machine is total painted steel, very sturdy. It features 3 bypass motors, so inside we've got 3 bypass motors that you can see here. Inside here it features 2 levels of filtration. One is for general cleaning, so it is meant for dry materials and small quantities of dust. And it has got a sieve grid, a metal sieve grid, which is meant to retain the metal chips when you are vacuuming oil and lubricants mixed with metal chips. The container, which is 100 liters of capacity, you've got here visual level indicator of the liquid so that you can always see the liquid level so that you can know when you need to stop and empty the tank. It has got 2 pivoting wheels and 2 fixed wheels. One, it has also a stopping device here. Here in the back we've got 10 meters of cable and a very easy system to discharge the container. Inside we've got the metal sieve grid to retain the metal chips, which can be taken out very easily when you need to empty the tank. Inside here we've got the floating device, which is used in order to stop the vacuum when the tank is full of liquids. To empty the tank you can either tilt it or you can attach a nose or just open up this valve here. It's quite easy because it's very fast and you can go back to vacuuming again. Here you've got the aluminum die-cast vacuum inlet with the clip, which allows the hose to be plugged in quite easily, quite fastly. It's the best seller for the small to mid-sized application. It can really satisfy any need in this industry, and it is basically the machine that everybody goes to when they need to do some quick cleanup or they need to vacuum the oil from a small number of CNC machines.